Hi again and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll practice English vocabulary with fun exercises based on the story from the last video. You'll test your understanding of word meanings and check how well you remember the new words. If you haven't watched the story yet, now is a great time to watch it. It will help you enjoy this part even more. Let's begin. Test 1. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word whiteboard mean? A. A piece of furniture for sitting. B. A device used to move the cursor and interact with a computer. C. A board for writing or drawing with markers, used in meetings. The correct answer is C. A board for writing or drawing with markers, used in meetings. Test 2. Choose the correct word. Which word means people you work with? A. Presentation. B. Colleagues. C. Keyboard. The correct answer is B. Colleagues. Test 3. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word folder mean? A. A container used to organize papers or files. B. A machine that produces paper copies of documents. C. A corridor connecting rooms in a building. The correct answer is A. A container used to organize papers or files. Test 4. Choose the correct word. Which word means a sliding compartment used for storage? A. Mouse. B. Chair. C. Drawer. The correct answer is C. Drawer. Test 5. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word desk mean? A. A piece of furniture where you work, usually with space for a computer and papers. B. A set of slides or materials used to explain information to others. C. A room where people gather to discuss work. The correct answer is A. A piece of furniture where you work, usually with space for a computer and papers. You're doing great. Don't stop now. Let's test your full understanding of the story. Test 1. Multiple choice. These questions have several answer options, but only one is correct. They will help you remember key details from the text. Question 1. What time does Kate arrive at the office? A. 8 o'clock. B. 9 o'clock. C. 10 o'clock. D. 11 o'clock. The correct answer is B. 9 o'clock. Question 2. What does Kate keep on her desk besides the computer, keyboard, and mouse? A. A calendar and a pen. B. A laptop bag and headphones. C. Only a notebook. D. A notebook, a bottle of water, and a small plant. The correct answer is D. A notebook, a bottle of water, and a small plant. Question 3. What does Kate and her colleagues use during meetings to share ideas? A. A projector. B. Laptops only. C. A flip chart. D. A whiteboard. The correct answer is D. A whiteboard. Test 2. True or false? You need to decide whether a statement is true or false. This will help you check how well you understand the text. 1. Kate's desk is by the window, so she can see the street outside. True. 2. Meetings are not important for Kate's work. False. Meetings are a big part of her job. where ideas are discussed and solutions found. 3. Kate feels nervous when presenting, but reminds herself that she knows the material. True. 4. At the end of the day, Kate leaves the office without tidying her desk. False. She tidies her desk, puts documents in the drawer, and shuts down her computer. Test 3. Fill in the blanks. In these questions, you need to recall the correct word to complete the sentence. This will help you reinforce key vocabulary. 1. Kate greets her every morning when she arrives at the office. The correct answer is colleagues. 2. During meetings, Kate and her team write ideas or draw diagrams on them. The correct answer is whiteboard. 3. Kate's favorite task is creating to explain the work clearly. The correct answer is presentations. 4. During breaks, Kate goes to drink coffee or tea and chat. The correct answer is kitchen. Test 4. Open-ended. These questions encourage you to share your thoughts and personal experiences. 1. Why does Kate like her desk by the window? The correct answer is because she can see the street outside. 2. How does Kate prepare for her presentations at work? The correct answer is she opens a folder on her computer with pictures, charts, and information, designs slides, and reminds herself of the material before presenting. 3. Have you ever had a favorite part of your workday? What was it and why? Share your experience in the comments. You did something great today, and I'm truly proud of you. Thank you so much for being here. If this lesson helped you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to learn English. See you in the next video.